We are here on FDR Drive, moments before the fireworks display for the 4th of July begins. There are some barges out there in 3 locations. It's not very clear on the camera, I think. There's the best go.
Mention the fireworks visible from all over Brooklyn.
Yeah, we can see fireworks visible from all over Brooklyn. If I zoom out here, you may see some, I believe there's some over there, yes. But the center of activity remains behind me, where many adoring fans of fireworks are just standing around with their umbrellas as it's raining. I am too much of a man to have an umbrella on such a day. There's another one of those parts. And the third one is over there. You can see it's at an angle. Every once in a while the humans, as they call them, begin cheering. For no apparent reason, just in excitement. Just in anticipation of the whole fireworks display. Now, if you listen closely, you may hear some of those bangs from distant fireworks. 59th Street Bridge, is that?
Yeah.
Over there you can see the 59th Street Bridge. Or is that Thunder from Thunder and Lightning?
Show them the Williamsburg Bridge if you want to see it.
Williamsburg Bridge is in that direction. True. There's the Pepsi-Cola sign. Not exactly. They're all around. Feel the vibrations from here. Red, now a greeny color. These ones are going to do something.
Heavy on the green.
I smell smoke.